Welcome back, Buy Smart fam. Today, we've got two high-flying contenders ready to battle it out in the drone arena. On one side, we have the suave and sophisticated ATTOP drone, and on the other, the cool and budget-friendly Hiturbo drone with a 1080p camera. Let's see which one of these flying wonders will take your drone game to the next level. First up, let's talk about price. The ATTOP drone will set you back $109, which is like a nice dinner date. On the other hand, the Hiturbo drone is a cozy $79, just a few pizzas, and you're airborne. But does cheaper mean better? Let's dive in. Both of these bad boys come with 1080p cameras. The ATTOP boasts a 120 degrees FOV, meaning you can capture more of your epic moments. Meanwhile, the Hiturbo's camera can be manually adjusted to see what's ahead or below. Reviewers love the ATTOP for its wide-angle shots, while the Hiturbo is praised for its adjustable camera and ease of use. Perfect for those roof inspections or scenic views. Now, let's talk about how long these birds can stay in the sky. The ATTOP drone packs 3 batteries, giving you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. On the other hand, the Hiturbo drone comes with 2 batteries, offering up to 24 minutes of fun. Reviewers appreciate the ATTOP's longer flight time, but find the Hiturbo's battery life to be sufficient for casual use. Features galore! The ATTOP drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, with voice control, trajectory flight, 360 degrees flips, and even AG sensor for VR glasses. It's practically begging for your attention. The Hiturbo drone, while not as feature-packed, still brings some solid basics to the table: altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and even voice control. Reviewers highlight the ATTOP for its extensive features while praising the Hiturbo for its reliability and ease of use. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. The ATTOP drone has a one-key return function, altitude hold, and even an emergency stop. It's like having a drone with training wheels. You're in good hands. The Hiturbo drone is also beginner-friendly, with fewer steps to fly and no manual pairing required. Reviewers find the ATTOP to be easy to operate, but note that the Hiturbo is exceptionally user-friendly and great for kids. Reviewers have mixed feelings about the ATTOP drone. While it is praised for its durability and extensive features, some users experienced malfunctions and short battery life. On the other hand, the Hiturbo drone receives high marks for its portability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, though some note a slight lag in the camera feed. Overall, the ATTOP is seen as a feature-packed option for those willing to troubleshoot, while the Hiturbo is a reliable, budget-friendly choice for beginners and kids. So, there you have it. The ATTOP drone is a feature-packed, slightly pricier option that promises endless fun and creativity. On the flip side, the Hiturbo drone is an affordable, no-nonsense flyer that's perfect for beginners. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Do you want the luxury model or the budget-friendly starter pack? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart, and keep those drones in the sky. Product links are in the description.